JYX user manual, model JYX T9. You can change LEDs, do videos, music shows, change the echo, have no echo, raise the volume as loud as you want, or lower the volume down so you hear yourself and not the song. Hey, ladies and gentlemen, this is the karaoke machine. It has a handle. It's got a whole bunch of controls. You have different light modes and different modes of the unit that you can go through. Let me give you a nice close-up look and show you what you get. The main unit has a handle that goes up and down. It's very portable. You have two wireless microphones. One is gray, one is blue. If you spin the top off, this is where you put the two AA batteries in. They're wireless. And if you ever get this dirty, you want to clean it, you simply spin off the top. That will basically allow you to clean the microphone, the head and all. Now, on the microphone, let me make sure the unit's off so I don't get any reverb. Push the button up, channel 168, UHF 638.80. That's what it says on there. You get an instruction manual guide that you may go through. You get a 3.5 TRS cable, adapter to adapter. You get the supplied batteries for the remote control and for the actual wireless mics. And the remote control takes two, so they give you two spare batteries for sure. On the remote, you have all the controls. You can mute, mode, recycle, Bluetooth, up and down on the volume, previous and forward on the songs, play and pause. You have the record button and 1 through 10 on the actual songs you want to go through. And on the unit, you have a output 5 volts, so you can plug in your smartphone, charge it, a TF card reader, a USB thumb drive, which I have in, auxiliary in, if you have your own mic, 1 and 2, and your power adapter that you're given the on and off switch. For this particular side of the song and the lights, you got your mode LED lights, your play, pause, previous and next song, that'll be over here. And on this side, you have for the microphone, the echo, the reverb to record, and the volume up and volume down. When you turn this unit on, it's going to be full volume of a tune, and you're going to have to immediately adjust the volume down so the mics don't reverb in the system. Give you a demonstration of turning the unit on. Show you the light modes. This is one light mode, 2 light mode, 3 light mode, and so forth. The song is playing, it's lowered, and on the top of the unit you can see it will show a light as you increase the sound. And this is very loud indeed, and I did not have that turned up at all. I've shown you how the microphones work. It will reverb, it will be nice and loud, and it will act as your own narration. Place everything on top so you don't lose it. And if you ever need to go somewhere portable, you're going to take everything away with you. Grab the handle, and it will cart away. It is about 10-15 pounds. It has wheels to roll. There is your baffle hole, and there is the unit, definitely indeed. I hope this karaoke machine is something that you may be looking for. I hope you enjoy your sound box music system.